My girl asked me, she was like, babe, what's your love language? I'm like, what? She's like, your love language. Like, how do you convey love to your partners and loved ones? Like, for example, a love language could be words of affirmation. Like, words of affirmation?
Welcome to this channel. Guys, how would you like to create videos like this that can fetch you good morning on YouTube? If that's your interest, without much ado, let me take you through how you can make such videos. So, the three main things we need to make this video is first, audio. Second, the character, that's the image like this that we're going to use. And thirdly, an editor app that will put everything together for us. So again, without much ado, let's dive into it. So guys, we go TikTok. Just TikTok for now, not the download. Just TikTok, and it will take you to. So guys, here, click on this one. So let's go to search and type in stand up comedy. Stand up comedy. So let's pick this one. So let's go for this one. And
My girl
here,
asked me, she was like, babe,
copy the link.
what's your love
Click on
language?
copy link.
I'm like, what?
So now go back to Google.
She's like,
Type
your
in
love.
TikTok downloader and click go, and it will bring you to this kind of a page. And click here. Now let's paste what we copied into this. Click on download and click on download MP3, and voila, it has downloaded it to your device. And it's always good you check where it downloaded it to, the folder. Let's click here. I'm using Firefox browser, by the way. So best thing to do first is to go where that is and name it. Give it a name. So let's name it, rename it to make the work easier for you. So you go to rename. Let's put comedy. Comedy 1. Let's put comedy 1 as the name. So then you remember that's the name, so that to pick it up from download, it will be easier for you. Click enter. So that's the name you'll be looking for when you want to upload that audio. So again, we go back to Google. So now we want to go get our character. So we type in Adobe Express Animation, and you will come up with a page like this. Type this in Google, click go, and it brings you to a page like this. So let's click on this one, Free Animation Maker. Click on that. So it brings you here. So this is all free, by the way. So let's click on create, and we want a stick man as our character. So let Adobe open up for us now. So we are now in Adobe Express. So we want to go pick our character. We don't want to use this one. Let's now go here, character, and all. Let's go here, click all, because we're now going to search for the character we want to use. We want a stick man in this case, but if you want to use any other character, that's fine. But for this video, I want to use Stickman. So I go searching for Stickman till I can get something that Okay, guys, let's keep searching. Stickman, where are you? Stickman, where are you? There we are. We find our Stickman. Let's scroll up a little bit. So click on that. There we have Stickman. So let's just reduce the size. Let's go this way. Okay. Well, let's just leave it as this now. So now we don't want this background. We want a background where it's a theater or somewhere where he's standing on the stage, you know, making his comedy. So now we are in search of background. And I don't think we have anything here that I would like to use, but should in case for learning purposes, here is background should in case you want to pick any other background for your own video. But this is what we have here, and I don't want anything from here because I've checked it earlier. It doesn't have what I want. So what I'll now do is now go to Google and type in. So I go to Google, I type in, hold on, I go to Google, I type in cartoon stage with audience, and it gives me this page. So you can scroll through and pick that which you desire. So I actually picked this one. Okay, so I have it here. And also, don't forget, you have two main aspect ratio you want to use. If it's for YouTube, you pick the 16 by 9, and if it's for shorts, you pick the 9 by 16. Hold on, I'll take you back there now. So here I pick this one, 9 by 16. So let's download it. Save this, save image as. I have already saved it in my own folder, so you can just click and save this to your device. So as you can see, I've already saved it, so I can click cancel. I know where to go pick it when I need it. So now let's go back to Adobe Express. Good. So here is where we will now upload the audio we stored earlier on. And what Adobe Express will do for us is that it will lip sync this our image and also make hand gestures that will blend with the talking. So that's what Adobe Express will do for us. Amazing. And before we upload the audio, let's first upload the background that we want for this. So you go here, click upload image. So here is our image. Okay, hold on. There's something I missed out. What I missed out is not so important. So let me just click one of these two. Yes, now we have our theater. Now we want to now reduce the size of this, our stickman, so that it will really look as if he's standing on the stage. So you can adjust this at your will so that the stickman is really standing on the stage. So guys, this is looking pretty good. So the next thing now is we have to upload our audio. But Let me ask you, did you notice that something is missing on the stage? The microphone. We will sort that one out later. So now let's upload our audio. We go to browse and go to the folder where we stored our audio that we uploaded earlier on. And remember, we named it as Comedy One. Download Comedy One. Here's our audio. Click on it. You see why it's easy? It makes the work easier when you name it. Once you've uploaded anything, give it the name that is almost what it represents. So we go open. So now, guys, Adobe Express is busy processing it for us. So we gotta wait for her as long as it will take. It won't take too long, but we gotta wait. So voila, our video is ready. So I will not play here. So as to save time, let's now go and search for the microphone that we will use. Sorry, before that, let's download this video. So if you are using Firefox browser, so now we go back to Google and type in cartoon microphone with stand for stage. So here you have the varieties where you can pick from. Guys, so I actually picked this one here, and all you need to do is right click, save image, and it will save it to a folder for you. I have already saved it, so you click on save and it will save it to a folder in your download folder on your device. And when you're having this kind of production, it's always good to save all the materials you need in one folder, in that download major folder. You can just drag them all into the same folder and name the folder because it will cause you less stress. So now, guys, we have our video with audio ready. We have our microphone. The next thing we need now is an editor that will put all this together for us within minutes. So you might have your editor that you use, but let me give you a snippet. I will use CapCut to put this together. In order to save time and not to bore you, what I will do is I will make a second video where I put everything together in the editor app. So guys, you have all the materials you need to make this video come alive. So guys, bye for now. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Watch out for the next video, which will be quite shorter than this, where I put all the bits together. So let me just quickly give you a run through of the editing. We're using CapCut here. So here is CapCut interface. First thing you import your files. You click on import and you go to the folder where the video is. You download it, and this is it here. You click on import again and you download the microphone. So now what we need to do is we drag